So this is the main internal control panel. At the moment, we're just looking at the bottom status line here. So we're saying that we are running off the battery and the supply that we're going to be using is gas. Go into the temperature section. Point to note on this particular vehicle, which does have the air conditioning unit, it will only operate when it's on mains hookup. Just go into heating, and at the moment all the heating is off, but we are running on the gas supply. So when we call for air heating, which is the top one, we set the internal temperature that we like. The current internal temperature is shown here, 16.2, and the external temperature is 14 degrees. So we just turn this on, and you can see down at the bottom here you've got the three wavy lines to indicate that the air heating has now been activated. So we can go back to the main menu, and we can also activate the boiler to heat up the water. And we've got two temperature settings here, 40 and 60 degrees, depending on what you prefer. The boiler can take about 30 minutes to warm the water, so just bear that in mind. So let's just go for 60, and you can see there the display has changed. So now we're back to the main menu, and you can see along the bottom there the status is changed. We're on battery, we're using gas, we've got the air heating on, and we've also got the water heating on as well. Any problems with the system will be signified by a flashing indicator. So I'm simulating a problem at the moment, and it's showing that there is a fault with the gas supply. Generally, the fault with the gas supply is either that the gas is not supplying from the gas bottles, and that could be because of the crash isolation switch, the yellow button, or it could be that the brass valves on the gas tap are closed, or it could be that the isolator valves underneath the kitchen sink have been disabled. The other reason it could be is that the window above the bench seat, like it is now, has been opened. There is a sensor on the window there which disables any of the gas operations because the gas vent is below the window and we don't want any fumes coming into the vehicle. We just close the window, and you can see that the gas supply, the gas has stopped flashing now, and supply has been returned to all the units.